In this video, I will explain how to add a filter in the lookup in dynamic 365 CRM through JavaScript. First, let me explain the scenario. So in my application, I have two entities, employee, and account entity. So in both entities, I have contact subgrid. Let me show you. So if I open another record, in the contact tab, I have this contact subgrid. If I click on the new button, so employee table, employee lookup will be populated because as I open this quick create form through employee form. So in the same way, I have contact subgrid in the account entity as well. If I open one of the record down there, we can see this contact subgrid. If I click on the press new contact, here we can see account name is populated because for this contact account is the parent entity. So my scenario is like my requirement is here in the quick create form, I have a lookup, address lookup. So if I open the quick create form from the account entity, I only want to see account addresses. So currently I'm seeing all the address records, but my scenario is I want to see only account addresses. In the same way, if I open the quick create form from the employee entity, I only want to see employee addresses. Currently I'm seeing all the addresses. So let me show you this address entity. So here we have a option set field called address type. So here we can select type of the address, employee address or account address. Currently in the account in the address entity we have two account addresses and two employee addresses. So let's work on this. So I have already wrote a JavaScript code for to implement this requirement. So let me show the code. So this is the code. What we are doing is we are taking the control of the address lookup in the quick create form, and we are adding filter XML to this to that lookup. So the filter XML is to in both the ways. If the form contains employee lookup, then the filter XML will be we are taking only employee address values. And if the quick create form contains account lookup, then we are taking address type values as account address values. So this is how we are taking filter XML, and then we are filtering the lookup. So before that we have added add preset control to the address control. So initially we have just to take the execution context and form context. We have taken the employee lookup and parent lookup and the quick create form control, and then the main address lookup control, and then we add preset. Then we are calling this method. In this method we are checking this two lookups whether it contains data or not. Based on that we are uh, getting the filter XML. So let me show you in the MST. What we are doing is we are checking in the first scenario. We are checking in quick create form. We have took control of address, employee, and account name. So if employee contains data, then only we are filtering account address type values. If account name contains data, then we are filtering account address values. So let us put this JavaScript code as web resource and pass the function as a parameter. So let me go to the make.powerapps.com. So let us create web resource. In my solution, I have this contact web resource. I will put that code in this web resource and publish it. Click on save. Publish the Java web resource. So publish succeeded. Now go to the contact form. Select forms. Select contact quick create. So here we will add a function. Select the form. Go to events. Click on plus event handler on onload event. So this is the entity. This is the JavaScript web resource that was created. Now we will add the function here. The function will be filter exception lookup, copy and put it in the function. So yeah, click on done. Now save and publish. So now go to the MSD, go to the addresses. We can see here address types, add column. So we have two account addresses and two employee addresses. So now we can check in the exception lookup. Click on Ctrl Shift plus I, empty cache and hard reload to reflect the changes. Go to the employee entity, click on any of the record, go to the contact subgrid. Once refresh it, I want to see this plus new contact button here. So now it is appearing. Click on plus new button. Here, where is this address field? Let's go to the powerapps.com. Just need to know what happened to this field. It is already there, right? Then why it is not showing up there? Click save and publish. Once again, hard refresh it. Address lookup should be available on the contact quick create form. Click on contact, press new contact. Yes, now we can see address lookup. If I click on search bar, I can only see these two records. So let's select one, give the last name, click save and close. So let's open this record once. So here, in the same way, we can do testing on the account entity as well. Let me open one of the record. Here also I want to save only two records. Once again refresh. Scroll down. Click on new contact. Here in this address bar, if I click on the search bar, here also I can say account 2. So the records are displaying here, account and account 2. Just save and close. Click on cancel. Go to address, account and account 2. Let's see what is the address type for those two records. add address type, click on close, click on apply. So for this to account and account to address type is account address. So yeah, so the scenario we have achieved has been tested now. So thanks for watching. See you again.